Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Minion Surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Minion Surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to begin by lining up the corners and giving it a nice fold right down the middle. Then I'm going to line up the corners one more time and give it another nice fold. Now when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines to show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for the fun surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin by drawing Stewart. So to start off with Stewart, I'm just going to begin by making a line that's just going to curve up, and then we're just going to come down like this. Next, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down, and I'll draw a line that comes down here, just right past the fold. And we'll try to make these about the same length. Now, I'm going to leave a little bit of space here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down. We're going to curve it around, and we're going to bring it up, and we're not going to connect it. We'll leave a little bit of space there. So it's kind of like a U shape. It's almost looking like an oval. Now right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out and then in, and then same thing here. We're going to go out and then in. And we're doing this so it kind of looks like his arms are going to be behind him. Now starting here, let's draw a line that comes down at an angle, and then one here that's going to come down at an angle. Then we're going to come right across here. Same thing here, we're just going to come down at an angle, and then down at an angle. Then we're just going to come down and kind of curve this over. Down and kind of curve this over. Now starting here, let's draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to go over and up. And we'll make a little line down for the legs. Then right here, we'll just draw a little line that curves down, and then one that curves down here. We are going to connect it like this, and put a little line here. Then, let's just draw a line to connect here for the suspenders. And let's go ahead and put a little dot in there for the button. Then let's go ahead and draw a line across. We'll come down on each side. And then we'll put a little curve here to connect it for the pocket. Now, starting up here with Stewart, let's begin with his eye. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make a nice big circle shape for the eye. Then let's go ahead and make another circle shape inside of here. Inside of here for the pupil, let's make a circle, and then I'm going to color in most of the circle, leaving just a little bit white. Then I'm going to draw two lines here, and then two lines over here. And I'm going to make a line down and a line down. For the mouth, let's just make a nice big smile, and a little line at the end of each mouth. Now for the hair, we're just going to draw some random little hairs in here. Some can be on the outside of the head, and some can be kind of on the inside. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once we open this up, we have two halves of Stewart. But we're going to actually turn this part into Dave. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to begin by making a line that's just going to curve up, and then we're going to come right down to here. For the eyes, let's begin by making a circle right here for one eye. And then we want to leave some space, and we're going to put another circle right here for the other eye. Now, right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to come up and down. And then I'll do the same thing over here, just up and down. We'll do this down here too. We're going to go down and up, and then down and then up. Inside of here, I'm going to make a line across. And then right here, I'm going to make a half circle and then a half circle. And then I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white. For the mouth, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come up. And then a little curve here. And we'll make a little line across for the tongue. And I'm going to color in a little bit of this just so we can kind of see his teeth. We're going to make 2 lines here. And then 2 lines over here. And then just a little line down on each side. Then starting here, I'm going to draw 1, 2, and 3 curved lines. And then same thing here, 1, 2, and then 3 curved lines. Now, over here, let's draw Kevin. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to start by drawing a line that's going to come up here. And then I'm going to curve this down to here, because he's a little bit taller. I'm going to make a circle right here. And then I'm going to put another circle right over here, more of actually an oval shape. Starting here, I'm going to go up and down, and then up and down right to the edge. Then this time, we're going to go down and up, and then up here to the edge. I'm going to make a line across, and then a line across. Then I'm going to make a little smiley face and another one. And then I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white. Then right here, I'm going to make a little smile for the mouth. 2 lines here. And then a little line right here. Now, for the suspenders, let's draw a diagonal line. We'll bring this over with a curve and then kind of right to here. We'll make a line that comes down, and then another little curve here. Then I'm just going to make a little square shape right here for the pocket. For the hair, I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 little lines. Now for the arm, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and then over. I'll make a little curved line here. And then another oval shape right here. Then I'm going to make a line that goes down, over, and up. And then the line's going to come over and then up here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up. I'm going to go over, and then we'll kind of come down here. Then I'm going to make an oval shape here, so it kind of looks like he's holding like a megaphone. We'll make a little C shape and then a little curve here. Then I'll put a little line back here. And we'll put a curved line here and a curved line here. Now I'm going to make some little lines on here just to kind of show that it's making some noise. Then I'm going to put a little curve here, the little line right up here, just for like a button on top. Then over here I want to make Bob. So I'm going to begin right here and I'm going to make a circle for the eyes. And then I'm going to make another circle right here. I'm going to make a small circle inside each one for the pupils, and then I'll color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white. Then starting here, I'm going to go up and down, up and down. And then right here, we're going to go down and up, down, and then up. Right here, I'm just going to make a little curve shape for the top of the head. Then I'll make a line that comes down, and then a line that comes down. Make a curved line for the mouth, and then a bigger curved line here. Then we'll make a couple bumps for some teeth and a little sad face for the tongue. And then we'll just kind of color in this part for the mouth. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and then over. Then we're going to go down and connect it. And we'll make a little line down here. Then starting here for the arms, I'm going to draw a line that comes up here. And then a line that comes up here. I want to make 1, 2, and then 3 bumps, and then I'll bring it back. And same thing here, 1, 2, and 3 right to here. We'll make a line here, and then a line here for the glove, and then also we'll do this line over here for Kevin's glove. I forgot that. Now, up here to kind of finish off Stewart, I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to come down to here, and then a line that's just going to come down to here. We're going to go down, over, and then up. Then we're going to go down, straight down, and over. Same thing here, down at an angle, straight down, and then over. Then we're going to connect this and this and put a little black dot in there. Then we'll make a little rectangle shape. Then right here, we'll make a line that comes out. We'll make a little bump. And then we're just going to make like an oval shape, so it looks like he's giving a thumbs up. Make a line here and a line here for the glove. Then we'll just make this line down here. And then the final thing I want to do is let's add some bananas in here. So we're just going to make some little curved lines, and then I'll make another one here. Then I'll put a little rectangle on top. And I'm going to put these bananas all over. So we're just going to make these kind of like little moon shapes with a little rectangle. And we're going to put these all around here. And I'm going to do like an odd number of these. So I'm going to make 5 of these bananas. So we'll put one more over here. And there you go. There's your drawing of a Minion Surprise Fold. So when we have it all folded up, we've got the fun little Minion Stewart right there. But then when we open it, we can see that there are all the other Minions popping out as well. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.